Are you fucking serious? Gaming sound effect. Why did you use the children cheering sound effect? You should know that the children cheering sound effect is inappropriate, sad, scary, and heartless for people under the age of 18. And even worse, it can give people nightmares. And look what you did. You made Pinkie Pie cry. That's fucking it. For your punishment, I will send you to the BND of Doom logo. Ha 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 ha. You deserve to get the BND of Doom logo. Man. I wish that shitty sound effect never existed. End of call out.